episode for Ahaye GC News. Mema Ubibia Akwaba. Had the latest hot and Aramede Bramo. I don't say Wunyan subscribe to channel idea. Bomodian say over subscribe. The way I say over click a year the subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We understand new video be upload when the first person was Ebeka a yes video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up, Nefi. Shema wa Ofori Atta when you be here now and somewhere koso e Ghana memoir afi yembura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so yeti yes a report ya ba betu ja sankomo yimu
so e dia ma because wa ma budget ne fa wo mo ho no e wo se achi wo mo input na e beboa ma economy no so etimi agina brane nra honorable councillor Ato Forson finance minister ekenkan wo man Ghana ko ho masika afi ye de e bebo o man no ho ebra ene tie nyina ye de yani edi achire kakra ekosi time o kan edi wieye o kan wieye no I was expecting press conference for micro minority and as usual one day no pepe because you say one more say enya picketing one may demonstration and one may press conference it's yes so we are prepared for them nya ne de enya one may chepa makacho say issues ni bi wo ho no me ya na hu hyedan ehia mesantia no me respond. But your far Ghana ho I me wo say yem futuro ne de eno ye bayi what you say ene ye be komra se bedwafie mu na yakwa akwhwe issues ni bi kakra enra minority press conference no mo ye ni nyina no me pa ache wo nsemo mo kan no na edoso but ba ko bi wo mu a honorable Adam former finance minister okan ya e ma me din ne ho yawo no mama hu se oye munafiki promise wuhia ye nuanum kramofo na ya bi so mo se munafiki e kire se obekire ye po bi oye munafiki pa Adam wo ye number 1 and no wo surprise me papa because and no comment and I share wo video na so bi kwa share that be comment say papa wo ye akiri wi ani bia na sesen and I'm say no ya another day conversation because I know a religious issue but content of assembly me attack obi personality o and our mo timi TV ni radio so edidi atam na wuti na wanim na wo ho ne ade shallow minded people and analyze the issues attack obi personality ni pursue odigina ho because nipa no enyo no de bo ne ho mini right bia se me didi nipa na tem ana me to ne ho asem na nipa na kan na me pese me analyze na me kire nipa ne se asem na wo kan is either say nyansa wom ana nyansa nim two things is either say o kan okrai ana say wo twantro and honorable Adam I don't know what is wrong with you if you don't take care. Micro minority where you omegu animasi o. I'm telling you for a fact. Afenyo Markins opposition and one young say or your attention seeker. And our agenda or person or pursue. What NPP I think you don't know. Eti mo jaino ma or ye niema bia ama party no afenyo mo hu kura ya him. That is Afenyo Markins for you or one agenda. Allow him to do whatever you want to do. The consequence is no ebeba mo akasa mo so ntia no ya mo masem eno nyame me ya titi asem because obiya will say enema bi a honorable Afenyo Markins ka no wodi gu nsane ani politically it doesn't make sense, common sensically it doesn't make sense. Eti say one opposition one me will say oh yeah attention seeker or one agenda. Honorable Adam Ubedi finance minister ne yakra ye humabo ene yaka say kind of Ofori Atta asai economy na wi ne de wa ba to so sabe brase so wo kwa de me in person no na me 40 bebre because wo ba na de no na asai na kado Ofori Atta wasaya dia no aboya nkura no do amana kwa bobosi anyansa bia nim sabe yo do benya ho faso nti wo kwa de ye consider wo kakra enra wo se wo na wo ye former finance minister nti wo na wo be di animu na ye press conference no and then wo video ba ko bi amebo ama honorable Adam me was stories me project ama honorable Adam se samra no okuro mu ha dia ene wo so oba no obeyi sa video na no was over. Now stories na ye be project ya kire no no. Ama kire say stories no were fake. And there was series of nonsensical nuisance taxes. Aye twam.
Thanks, last DGH.
Say it. Meme dintro. As simple as that. An intro. Meme ya monafiki. Smith said, "Ami under video na ready aboma me. Ye we are. Meme another video. Mesama another stories, online stories." Now one will say, "Asemi wa wana si ye kan. Enye party no be ye o enye politics. Now we ye nipa da sadi na wo se wo man okura entina wanum. Why ya wadwen se Ghana fo nyina adwene wo fam nti wo no. Wahye quote about tie. Eti wadwen ye se wonim nyansa kyenye ya fam hana. Ya fam hana ma meka cho. Ye nim nyansa brutal. Eto da be your opportunity that you people get in a political space. So I don't think someone in such a young Ghana for the young money young Casano. You should even understand they say the moment I open to the microphone Chia Casano or be analyze ya sama walker. And I say your mobile phone ye cry, I just be a what would you use? I dare be a what we are see our phone so. I just wouldn't research so yet. I dare be a person or research our phone so. Eti ansa na wo be kasa no e wo so woti asese asam na me ba be ka no ya wo mo so mo abonte omo hye kotu motai omo hye shu ade boden embo watch ade boden emfa Cecilia dapaah juwares emfa to ni kom and on the another day conversation one was asam na esi wo court no one wa dansidie no one wo sika ya bobo obabasiam passe. Now, Bawumia what me as a quote about Taya Bejina Ghana for him. Just a one, why you so winning such a young Ghana for 2 foot rugby anyway. Listen to Bawumia.
Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax. We never implemented the betting tax. So to come and tell Ghanaians that you have abolished something that was not implemented is to deceive the people of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax. We never implemented the betting tax. So to come and tell Ghanaians that you have abolished something that was not implemented is to deceive the people of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax. We never implemented the betting tax. So to come and tell Ghanaians that you have abolished something that was not implemented is to
Monafiki promise. Mebacho mame the next video where I 2023 video October online stories na ya publish for video ya mebebo ama wehui me de nya beto screen so am wahebi na kwaya te say obi na ebia our personal issue with somebody but jandam there any space one space na ya occupy no jandam ni space wo. It is a honorable minister, a member of parliament, a politician, what was suit about tie, what be kasa ye careful because mobile phone e cry and you move yusu, ya research. We don't talk anyhow. That's the reason why me jai assembly that one no me attack your personality me find ya way and you want to about me and don't find me home. What you say? Smith first video, other video that I read about my name way. I former GR boss. And so na mini aba Julie Asian, yes, ebeba no. Ono na na oho. Me pacho enye me na me kasa. This is somebody he was in charge of collecting revenue for governments. Listen to him.
We'll have two stream of taxes. So we'll have the gross gaming revenue tax, then we'll have the withholding tax. for the first month that we implemented, we got average for the GGR, average about 20 million a month for the cities, 20 million. Then for the gaming, we've started for the withholding, we've just started the season, the betting season. So the lean season, we're doing around 15 million cities. We're hoping this will quadruple in the major season, and the major season for the betting is from this month up to May. So maybe when we get to December, we'll be able to give you the expected. We will be able to project the expected revenue.
Sikana papa yi kan ho asem se wo mo generate 15 million Ghana cedis. Wo mo hwe se by the close of the season, wo mo anya kra no mo project over 20 million Ghana cedis from betting tax. But as a time anu oni ye kasa no, na wo mo agije 15 million Ghana cedis. Me pa cho enyam na mo kwagije ye, eye GRA da kwagije ye. As to how they manage to collect that revenue, they have the expertise. So they take revenue. Maybe I just shall say for online stories in to Sumami. City Online, City Newsroom, publish it. Ghana Web, publish story. No, all the online portals. May the Class FM online come. Wabeka say, ebi ayatiti awo ni fie, eti ni wa shada na ebi a, debi, o de me de abonten so online portals ebe ma ho. Na wati asese enye propaganda no obi ya tia obi, na mo so obi ya ne humo na fiki. No I say entro no obedi a. I was here putting in his place. Enti boys na anu omusu sa wo di bet na ne ate wo mo no na ye montia na ate na sa ehefo na ate sika no na honorable Amiyandai, you couldn't apologize to Ghanaians. You want to even insult our intelligence. Yes. Oba so say did Ghana for time see enim nyansa. And one ya ho ade na mo ya no ema mo party no nya akọ bie mo say dey say party na ye no 38.2 na mo nya afa mo na be 21 mo ahwe ye ebe guji mo sa for me party fofo what me angina Ghana for ni ma hwe ni ma didi atam se anim nyansa eti ya omo na mo twa bet na ni ate wo mo no me ba cho me na meti ana say me ma me na no ofri asama ado beti. Somebody should ask him for us. Says he cannot know what to boys no. Young man, young man, my view. Of your summer, I don't know about it. And I said, why not what in a Sicano so? One more tea and him. City Newsroom, publish a story. No, Pesame dates and time. I had a publish a story so that you will know, sir. And yes, be a Obia said that. And see. Way a City Newsroom, October 6, 2023. Any, me say go on your phone. Research is how you so phone here. Fire research. Way a City Newsroom, Ghana Revenue Authority generates 50 million Ghana cedis from betting tax. Target 60 million by the end of football season. And a City Newsroom, Pacha yam kweni. Way a Ghana Web. Way a Ghana Web. Semeti ya fast na Net2 TV no so. Bet tax. GRA target 50 million Ghana cedis in 1 month. Target 60 million this year. So honorable Amiyandai say, Oman jeje betting tax da. Oman jibi da they not even implement it. It is say kada GRA kwa je wa bet no. Na free he. Yay! Now free hey. Another one. Catch us say Jandam de enya juma. Where are the pause? where also 15 million Ghana cedis accumulated from betting tax. 60 million Ghana cedis to be generated by end of football season. Where I the pause. Mama headline. Who can Google it? Would you just type GRA generates 50 million Ghana cedis from betting tax. Target 60 million Ghana cedis by end of football season. A big stories related to it. Nina Bampacho October 6th. A big publishing on October 3rd. A big publishing on October 5th. 2023. GRA kwajichi sika our target is a football season eba kwa wiye no anya we no manya 60 million Ghana cedis patro anya me na kan ye GRA. So where from the insults and you are honorable Amiyanda, you have no shame. Whoop somebody did young Ghana for time patro what ya come releasing so that they will know the website that published the story. Man, cut it. I want the full website. And I'm gonna make away October 7th. Thank you very much. Wait, it's where a city newsroom. GRA generate 50 million from betting tax, target 60 million by end of football season. Maybe I try to try and I just city for some bob team. I'm trying. And GRA for interview penny for some of a car, and I'm muchina so yeah, one story. Story no Addo from 2023. Obia free finance ministry am be deny. And Obia free GRA am be deny. But where Ghana web bet tax. GRA get 50 million Ghana cedis in 1 month. Target 60 million Ghana cedis this year. So the target for 2024 and latter part of 2023 was to get 60 million Ghana cedis. Me patcho Aremeyaw or finance ministry no is either they did not update him. And now say why you not say because oya boda fikino. Do abeya and run and one no ye Ghana wa bodi no give me the pause. Online portals Adum online or be publishing story no everybody including Class FM online. You publishing story no. But me shada no for class anka won wa be ka say bia ya CMG de me gina CMG nti na bia me ka say CMG the publisher passion where you Ghana web the post also publishing the same story. Look at it. Me say wo ka say Cecilia ho e wo say wo say wo na wa hye suit abotai and just wo kwa wo nim nyansa wo kwa no kwa school baba for na ekura ye no ye mo bi no we are making good use of it. Any statement that you make, we go online, we do a research, proper research on it. And the Honorable Aminanda should come and deny this. Where are the pause? 15 million Ghana cedis accumulated from betting tax. 60 million Ghana cedis to be generated by the end of football season. Ghana Revenue Authority, and Japan Revenue Authority, and China Revenue Authority, and Ghana Revenue Authority. So what is Aminanda talking about? You are insulting our intelligence. Oh, Massa, say game wo. So what can say na be shasi abebre enti jai. Ne papa mu a e wasan ka no ye kan budget ni wiye no. No aba abonte wo se Ghana fo MPP aban anana do danko Akufo Addo ni Dr. Bawumia. Awa no so ye monafiki. Yenina ya pamocha mo fa ya bone nche ya demu bone ya che se COVID levy you free so say ya tina krob ha na COVID yakọ ni ada so jimu wo levy ya pamacha wo ya sira mu se Dr. Bawumia na kasa ka kire ye say levy aya tutubotom na so ni ya tutum botom ni ya jimu levy na ka wapa ya chawo ni hu se badwen ba na e kasa no afẹ party no e regret policies bi o mo de ba ya ma Ghana for ko hiam na ka wapa ya chawo na what's up Ghana for chawo say ya pamachawo say ya campaign get fund na ma education sector ne breye ni ya de get fund kwasi awowa ni ya je bosia we be anwa sa Ghana for chawo say ya campaign road fund na Ghana kwa nyina tutu contractors ya de obuka over 100 billion contractors amunya adwuma ye ntu obuka over 100 billion ya pamacho mo fa nchayen ha wantimi aka mu nyina bi wo se bedi atama ka wo te se de woni nkura bi ana te ayi omanim ana sa wadwenya wo se woni MPP fo nkwa na te kura nim ha na MPP for the big crowd or no common sense yeah you mo se bra dia wo ye no ye party no popular so stop it. So many people are against Afenyo Markins ya ho ye because they think say a side party no won so kwa ma ho kwa do ho be ka ho mu Afriki wo do ho be ka ho be bo a obi a ho achiri ya mu kra de ke de asemi se betu wani mo se bra me pa chaw mintimi nya body ntia Allah eni Muhammad munyame na bokoye mo press conference watimi agiatu aye press conference enti se edi ntro kase enti se eti ese mo pasa mo eni Ghana Revenue Authority should come and explain to us where's our 50 million Ghana cedis na mo generate ye no koye and after that sika wo ba generate from betting tax ni na wo meka no sabi awukun so ade to so ene ni anye ena na ya implement MPP fue aye what didn't throw wa ba mu sa didn't throw opposition monya said you ya ni mu nyina na kira krom ha 8 years. Some of the issues we have documents to it. So when you are talking, I was someone analyze asem na wo ba be ka no na wo bisa wo senti asem ya me kwakan so anya bia Ghana for beje atomu ana no kure na me kan ya na Ghana for ko analyze asem ya ntia be ko yi ana bisa wo sa questions no asa na wa ba abontia ba be kasa na ya na me ya eya me Japan say enim the phobia omo party ni mo ho kwan ma party ni do omo di se adwuma no honorable Ami Adam eye baako. He was somebody that I respected so much because ultimately said the latter part of Ofori Atta I didn't be share na mess na Ofori Atta call so ye no. He tried his possible best to send kwade niam tutu akwam but oba ye na de na say ye na tonsuo abaya no na domestic debt exchange program no na ma economy no na say yentimi ntua yaka e ka ne wonsi hu kra yentimi ntua we couldn't even service our debt no enya me and from so Ofori Atta Anno di Ghana bro to the sense of finance minister watimi atra say ebobusia ne appetite and say obobusia obobusia ni bia na wa ho sanyame atie ni pagba no organize party no aye kenke party no aye wache party ye policy bia de ba 11 ni aye hu cake kakraka ni de aba present aba Ghana for muntia 11 ni afa kwatwa ya num finance minister watimi tena se ema president no atia konwa so no edi esika worth from SA no the charter private jet e de ma kwatenam okwa na obi jiranche no kan hunu so amima de mesra na nka me yi wa free sa asem no na won wade na obeya de nra no wase wudin nyina samene wa enka bibi say ikoso ameyi me ho afrim na ma be paga na facho se Ghana for mesra mo fa ya bone che ye ne ya bomo kro no ache ya bobo kranu ache bisa abai ne sai bisa pipi abai sana God fund na no makape road fund na no makape sika 25% na no mo kape was our fund no so no sika no mo tia da kwai ye ya jiji sika de kogu NHIS mu a ya ti 25% sika da kwai ya jiji levy na eko eye God fund mu a 25% na no amate no ekwahe road fund de no ekwahe it won say your man tamu kwani na potholes say adani manhole and the dem one village one dam and the da kwanim because road fund na ye de be maintain kwan no Akufo Addo etemu 25% no de Jubilee house no makodi no ma ya be dia high private jet ya dear me for 8 years please shut up
o share enyama bia ye ka se ye ba be ye taxes ahodo a ye ka se ye ba be ye den ye ba be tete so hwɛ ne di kan yen nuanom MPP fo emra no mo abanwam ye ka kire om se enamabu no abasesa enamabu no eho enhan wom enamabu no sebe omu wie suku a na adwuma sam ayeden ama enu ti mabu no bebre no ano ade ba ko amo ya ne se womo no se onya eye 10 cedi onya 2 cedi onya 1 cedi onya 50 pesos a ye ufre bibi e friend bet no de akobu so no so watwa na watimi ay den adibi. And I can tell you on authority say some of us were depending on bets. I want any yen dada aduane ye den efre
enunti na end time finance minister say one more kasa after say budget after say parliament eje sa betting tax ni too no Omo implement it.
You see,
because omo say we depend solely on that.
You see, I will say you know MPP for omo muade.
Oh.
Ano mo mfere ade. Ano mo mfa ni die emma nipa bia. Ano mo ya trofo a omo nka nokore. Akohwifo your friends and fantini be say wo ye kohwini. Just wo ye obi a utwa ntro. Ade no mo diga na fo atem. Ada no mo kire Ghana fo se sebe eye ne omo ye wo power enunti ya twe o masom no omu nsia bibi nya den emfiri mu hwe mini aba hwade we eye city eye news eye room anameboa exactly online. GRA generate 50 million from betting tax, target 60 million by the end of football season we October 2023. Eti se ayade a mose ma implement ya e ba ne se na GRA e ka se omanya eye sika firi.
Okay, enti eni abusuafo eni me camera ni mi e capture ni ye na mu hu se de ade ni sitie. Okay, enti camera no na a capture no Adam se omo introduce
o ready excepts now say the Domestic Tax Revenue Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority says it has generated 50 million from the recently implemented back tax within a month. The tax collector is optimistic that this amount will reach 60 million before the football season ends. Edward Jambra, the commissioner in charge of DTRD, expressed confidence that the tax authority will surpass its revenue target by the end of the year. It is a bit, I didn't have no more can,
Omo target no komo benya.
Omo benya bro. Uye no so to nche ya ye tu mira ni akyere si. We anope ya ana me ye de me print sa a document we. Kojo dan kwa tie nie o. Me pa jo tie nie. U tie nie. Me ni aba u tie nie.
Tie pa.
Kojo dan kwa me make sure say endra em no mo yes ana me se me ntwa bet bi na me hwade. Na me try na nya me ncha de na me di ye.
Enra u try.
Okay. Tienie. Me di no. Less withholding tax. Any 910 Ghana cedi. Also be boa. Ato Forson dance ni wa brochi.
Enra wan susu entwa.
Ai, man susu entwa.
Because me twa bi egofo di o.
Ma for di.
Okay, so withdrawal request. Ka nipa benya 9,900. But less withholding tax. 10% on gross winnings. And see almost 910 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Wow. 910 Ghana cedis. And the balance a car ye 8 memo.
Yeah. I'm out for my better time. So, some minister and a former minister Bekase Sabe, they never implemented the betting tax. No oil questioning. No on cano correct. And I'm in fact of winning ma. Men can cano correct. Me must not find to crew pay. Nice on cano correct. It's a nunti osha and rat. After the year so friend saying budget reading no. And no because the TV3 for a fact check and osha TV3 fact check na any or say 2025 a budget presentation. We never implemented betting tax. Mohammed Amin Andam, former finance minister. Feedback from TV3 is that Ghana implemented 10% tax on betting and lottery winning on August 13th, 2024. Source Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA. Eti yenu anu wede asem no mo ka no. Sebe, why no more dada no. And you see, ama ye nuanom we investors no mubu afu and my receiving cost not less than 57 a year cost from investors. You can investors and go. Chabet. Amudi no na me bua. You from investors. I'm from who investors. It will share na so we adwuma ben o se me investor. No so chabet. Na adwuma no invest wo. Okay. Look. Enya the profit. Look, Abrantie bia your friend no eye code Mickey. Unim no. Yeah, Mati. Unim code Mickey. Endo am share code Mickey. E wada braka. Mi share no hu mi ano shase se odamase. Na me ntiase. Kojo nyame nhyirawo. Kojo nyame ntum nkom. Kodam say code order dey asem a. Unim de ntia na odamase. De ntia na odamase na ne say. O say kojo me ye serious investor. And apart from some year investor no. Oh yes. I say me advertise it. Am I even betting companies ah? A year Ghana for the one mabunu no me mama odds. I will mucha a year bet dibi. Na odds am de mabunu no. And pen people do money I had a year diwam. Uber money a diwam. It's baby a baku me no be pet and I be man. Now one most team ya den edi. Na omu diwi ya a binds or babete 10 a year percent. And ye be a omu di a year woman. A buying Emma or tax be some function butumana. Okay. Eti sene a buy or jay ho aba. And na buy or what is your pama Ghana mabunu and na buy Ghana mabunu dana kuma so na what I say or babuama Ghana mabunu sabi almost so many baby jinano. Wabaso baby ye by bed tax a few wa baby jinaho unfair when you say why implement a bed tax. They should be ashamed of themselves. Okay. You waiting for winning reporter Babeto Yepono so because so you subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say over subscribe. Now while like video don't give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemwa ekoso ewo Ghana memwa. Also betimi atchere wadwen afa eye ensemwe nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Obete minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.